Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamia, and thanks for joining. Today I'm going to show you how I got this super snatched look to go along with this extra long ponytail. Yeah, it's super extra. But this makeup ties it all together, so if you guys want to see more, then just stay tuned. I'm going to start with my Glam Glow Starter, and this is Nude Glow. Because I want to have a matte face, I'm going to go in. So this is just to help me have a nice glow underneath the matte face, but not shiny. I'm going to go in with this Erborian Extra Matte. It's a mattifying primer. Down hook. I look like a football player. I'm going in with my 24-hour Shadow Insurance by Smashbox. I'm going to put that on my lids. I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Born to Run palettes. First I'm going to go in with Riff. This Beached palette by Urban Decay, and I'm going to go in the Copper family. It's a nice gold color. And I'm only going to the middle of my eyelid because I want to add in some smoke. When I say smoke, I just mean a darker brown to give it some dimension. Now I'm going to go back to my Born to Run palette. I'm going to use Good As Gone, which is a dark brown. And here I'm just creating my depth and that effect. Time to blend. Now I'm going in with this Winky Lux liner. Dose of Colors Caviar eyeliner. I'm going to go in my waterline with this one. For my brows, I'm going to go in with Winky Lux Unibrow. This is my tried and true when I want to do my brows quickly. I'm just doing light strokes. I don't want them to be too thick or too thin. I just want them to be nicely shaped, although I need to get them done. But a little concealer can go a long way to clean these up. So that's what I'm going to do. Clean up my brows with this Urban Decay Naked Skin. So for my foundation, I'm going in with All Nighter Waterproof Longwear from Urban Decay, and my color is 975. It looks a little crazy, but it won't once I do my contour shade. For my contour, I'm going in with Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear, and this is an Espresso. I'm gonna pump it onto this flat brush actually, and then blend it on my hand. And then my hairline as well. And I'm also going to hit my nose. I'm going to do all this before I add in my concealer. I'm not going to blend that until I add in my concealer, which I'm going back in with the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. And this is dark neutral again. I'm just going to take a flat brush and just blend this baby into the foundation. I'm going to do my chin first, and then I'm going to go in with under my cheeks to add a little. I'm get in my lip creases, under my eyes. Still looks a little much, so I'm just going to blend this out with my, it's like a kabuki style brush. This is from Pur, and I'm just going to buff this all into my skin. From the contour to the highlight with the concealer. So you can have a flawless finish. As much as possible. Get in the skin though. Now I'm going to go in with my Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and this is the number 2. And I'm just going to pour it. I don't even need that much, but I'm going to put it everywhere I put my highlight. This will serve as blotting as well as keeping it nice and bright under there. And then I'm just going to dab a little Okay, so now I'm gonna take my kabuki brush and do the same thing again, and just make sure this bad boy is just blended nicely. Add it down to the stuff, baby. I'm just defining the snatch. And for my highlight, because I really love what this looks like. I haven't used it in so long, but I used it the other day and I just loved what it came out looking like. So I'm gonna go in with MAC. This is the Mineralized Skinfinish Cheeky Bronze. You guys are gonna see exactly why I love this highlight, because it just gives you all the life. See, there's one cheek, here's the other. I'm just gonna blend it, make sure it looks like flawless skin, and not just a little mascara from Winky Lux. This is the So Extra I've been using lately. Obviously, I'm loving it. I'm gonna go in with a lash with my Koko lashes in Goddess. My Koko Goddess lashes. It should also add to what we got going on here. That's how I feel about this lash. Feeling very I Dream of Genie right now. I gotta figure out what lip I want to do. Keep it neutral. For my lips, I'm using Cream Stick Liner in Buerre by MAC. It's a discontinued color, but I love it because it's like a nice nude situation. It's in the pink nude family. And I realized I love this color. I just got as many as I could, which is why I still have some. Okay, well, it's not really nude, but it's like definitely in the nude family. I think we're gonna add a little bit of a nude in the inside. I'm gonna use Nude Chica from Dose of Colors. This is just a nice little nude situation.